Welcome to A Better Tech. We help users understand how to use their computer and prevent security issues. Today I'm going to give you some information on how much it might cost to repair a computer. I want to provide you with this information so you're not blindsided by a repair cost. I also want to help you decide if it's cheaper to repair your computer or replace it. An average hourly rate for labor is about $100. This can vary based on location and the repair techs you encounter. Most repairs can be done within 1 or 2 labor hours, although the actual time for you to get your computer back could be a couple days to a week. There will be extra charges for parts if needed. Parts usually have to be ordered. It can take up to a week to get parts delivered in some cases. A basic system cleanup could be about $100. A thorough system restore and setup could run about $200. Replacing a screen could be as little as $100 and could range up to $500 or more. Touch screens are usually more expensive to replace. See my site for a more in-depth list of repair costs. Is it cheaper to repair or replace? Most of the time, it can be cheaper to repair the computer. Considering the cost of computers today, having your existing computer repaired can actually be cheaper. Some repair techs will do better than others, so make sure to do your research and find a quality tech that will treat your computer as their own. If you have a specific question about your computer, or you need more help on the cost to repair your computer, feel free to message us. Thanks for watching.